Tired of endless meetings and chasing down team members to know if a task is finally done? Then you've come to the right place, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you how to set up automated notifications in Trello so everyone knows exactly when a task is complete. First, let's use Trello's built-in automation rules. Open the Trello board you want to automate next. Click on the automation button in the top right corner and select rules. Click Create Rule. Now, under Trigger, select when a card is moved to list. Choose the list that signifies completion. This is often labeled Done or Completed. Next, under Actions, select Post a comment. Customize the comment to say something like Task Completed. At Member, please remember to replace at member with the actual team member's Trello username, or consider using at card members for everyone assigned. Click Save. From now on, whenever a card is moved to the completed list, a comment will automatically be posted notifying the relevant team members. Now, let's explore power-ups. For more advanced notifications, go back to your Trello board and click on Power-ups. Search for power-ups like Slack or email for Trello. Configure these power-ups by connecting them to your Slack workspace or email account. Now, you can set up notifications to be sent directly to Slack channels or email inboxes when tasks are completed. Finally, consider using integrations like Zapier or IFTTT for even more customized workflows. These platforms allow you to connect Trello with hundreds of other apps, creating highly specific notification triggers. And that's it. You've now set up automated notifications in Trello to keep your team informed and your projects on track. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and tricks. See you in the next video.